Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate you all. If you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own crochet box braid. And this box braid, you can use it to make headband, wig, you can install it on yourself. So if this is something you're interested in, please keep watching. So the products we're going to be using for this crochet box braid today is already pre-stretched extension hair, and I have color 1B and I have also expression in color 4. I will be mixing the both of them together, and you guys, this came out really pretty good, as you guys will see on the video. So guys, I'm going to be tying a yarn on a chair, and I rolled it a couple of times just to make it sturdy and firm. So that's what I'm doing here, basically rolling the yarn there. So I'll be mixing the color 1B hair extension and the color 4 together. That's what I'm gonna do here. I would apply some hair cream. I used some coconut oil just to make it smooth, and I will brush it out. Okay guys, so I'm going to be starting with a strand of the hair extension. I just picked a strand, and then I will start braiding. Depending on the size of the braid you're braiding, that will determine the amount of hair or hair extension you're taking. I was going for a medium size braid, so I usually start with a twist. I twist for like an inch, just as you guys will see there, and then I will separate the braid into 3 after I twist for an inch, and then start braiding, doing the box braid. I usually add some little of the coconut oil cream just to add in between the hair and smoothing out the braids. You guys will see a couple of much more example and a slower version of this. If you don't get it in this first braid, I promise that you see a lot more that will explain a lot more better than this, because I did a lot of them and kind of slowed down the video, so you just get a hang of it. It's really super easy, guys. So after braiding, I trim with a scissors. I trim the excesses with scissors, and this is basically what I'm going to do for the entire of the strand of hair that I will be braiding, or for the entire braids rather. So guys, look at as I explained earlier, that you're going to start with a twist. So I'm twisting for an inch, as you guys can see, and then I separate into 3 strands, separating into 3 strands, and then I will braid after separating into 3 strands. I'm sorry guys for the yarn, the flyaway that was there. I didn't really realize this till I started editing this video. I should have just cut out the strand of the yarn that was just on my way there, but I didn't realize this till I edited the video. If you have any kind of strand like this when you're making your own, please take away this strand of yarn or cut it away so that it won't be on your way while you're braiding. Okay guys, I forgot to mention that the reason why I usually start with a twist instead of just doing the box braid at the same time is to create a loop that you will use to attach to your hair. If you were to install this box braid to your hair, or you're using it to make a wig like I used this to make, and you guys will see in the video. So that's why I usually start with a twist and separate it. After I twist like an inch, I separate it into 3 strands and then I braid along. And I would also like to mention that this same concept is the same concept you're going to use if it were to be a crochet twist braid. The only thing you just do is just continue twisting along. Instead of separating it into 3 like I'm doing there, you just continue twisting it till the end of the braid. So that's basically the same concepts to do a twist braid. And if you guys want to see a video on how I make crochet twist braid, please just let me know in the comment section. I'm more than willing and happy to do that for you guys. So guys, I'm done with the braid and I'm just trimming it, and I am going to put it in hot water just to make it smooth. And that's basically what I'm doing there, doing the hot water thing. And I actually poured the hot water so that because the bowl I was using wasn't really getting the entire braids into the bowl, so I had to actually pour the hot water on the braid itself. I had a bucket on the floor there, and then I drained it with a towel and then allowed it to dry. So this is our box braid. You guys, you can't tell me anything. So as you guys can see, it looks exactly like what the machine made will be and what you will get from your local beauty store, as you guys can see there. And it has the loop that you can use it to attach, and I used it to make a headband wig. This is actually a sped up video. I just made a clip of it. This is not a video on how to make headband wig. If you guys want to actually see a video on how I make my headband wig, just let me know in the comment section and I will do a detailed tutorial on how to make a headband wig. So but guys, this actually worked magic and I couldn't be more happier than this. It really worked. So yes, you guys, it is so pretty. It was so pretty. The headband wig came out looking so pretty, as you guys will see in the video. Okay guys, so this is what our headband wig turned out to be. And guys, I don't know how else to express how life-changing this is. You're not only saving yourself money to get that braid from the local beauty store, you're actually making your own wig, or you're actually making your own box braid to install on your hair. And everything I use in making this wig is less than $25. And guys, just tell me how life-changing that could be. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you all. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and let me know what videos you guys would like to see.